Welcome to Rochester, City of Visionaries, where we proudly walk in the footsteps of those who fought for freedom and struggled to secure the rights of all. As unionists, we embrace their unfinished work. This is our legacy and our calling.
Equality.
Progress.
Play.
These words may seem only loosely connected, but they are the heart and soul of our movement.
Equality, to a certain kind of person, means we're here for every child. When a student walks through our door, we see their whole story. When parents reach out, we welcome them in.
When a community needs help, we answer the call.
What do we want?
Fairness. When do we want it? Now!
Because here's a radical idea. All people, regardless of what group they belong to, deserve dignity and respect. That's why we're working to end the scourge of childhood poverty.
We have hungry kids in our classrooms. In 2024, this is unacceptable.
Advancing dignity in retirement.
No more tears!
By fixing Tier 6.
Fix Tier 6! Fix Tier 6!
And fighting to reverse runaway inequality by asking the ultra-wealthy to pay their fair share.
Share on wealth! Share on wealth!
Progress, to a certain kind of person, means when our students need help, we lift them up. When our colleagues need support, we have their backs. When laws aren't working, we fight to change them.
Get the money to where it's needed now.
And
We don't shy away from a fight when the odds are against us.
that's why we're notching huge wins like fixing APPR and passing a law to address extreme heat in schools.
Who can do that? Who gets agreement? It's very hard around here.
Supporting hands-on career and technical education programs that students love and give them real-world skills.
I can talk all day about it because of how cool it is.
And organizing new locals.
Because a bigger union is a stronger union.
Play, to a certain kind of person, is not something that happens outside school. It's an indispensable part of how students learn. It's the joy of a child grasping a new concept. It's a teacher making it all click.
Learning should be joyful.
That's why we're bringing childhood back to schools by getting cell phones out of them.
Disconnect to get connected.
We're advocating for recess and social time where our kids get to be kids. And we're fighting back against over-testing, bringing the love of learning back to classrooms.
So, are you the kind of person who fights
For equality,
progress?
And play,
of course you are. And look around.
you're surrounded by that same kind of person.
Really great to see you all here today.
You're part of something bigger than yourself.
A movement.
A family.
A force for good.
We stand where history was made.
Where visionaries fought for freedom and equality.
Where we ask,
What
Will we accomplish
next?